Okay, ATS got the guts out. About to start making this work. We got the ditch going in. ATS is gonna go here. We got the professionals doing the excavating. Electric's gonna go to here. Gas is gonna hop in. We're gonna stay right here next to this. Stay away from those trees. We have a 24 kW going on a pad.
Like basically,
not just any pad. Generac pad. Call us today. Our electrician Ryan here is putting a 2-inch knockout on the side where the offset nipple is going to come through. It's going to connect right here with the meter. We've already got our offset nipple in, marked it on the side. Once we get this set and on the wall, we're going to drill through and mark the center hole for our feed. So power is going to go through, feed the ATS, back out of the ATS, and go to here. This will be no longer used. So I'm starting to make my perforated holes because there's wood behind here. This is concrete, then you'll have mesh. And we're going to hit it with the hole saw. We don't want to dull the hole saw though. So I'm just going around. Getting where I can just chip that out. Very carefully, because the bottom of my ATS is right there, so I don't want nothing showing underneath. So as you can see, I'm through. I got chicken wire, and I'm going to use the hole saw to cut through the chicken wire and the plywood behind it, so we're totally clean up against the back of the panel. And then we can knock our knockout out on the back of the panel and then work a nipple from here to the back of the ATS that's going to go flat on the wall. So Ryan's going to find that center hole first. There you go. I want you. Go. Now we can bust out our 2-inch hole. We'll put our nipple through, caulk around it, and we're good to go. Okay, it's in. Hole's caulked, got the new nipple in. Bushing's on. Now this is definitely not level. Okay, so I tried to go off a little bit, but this is just off, so it's making ours look off when ours is actually level. But we're ready for wire now. Let's go. Also, is your installer putting in a whole house surge protector? And what better than a PSP H-Gen 100? This thing's got lights that show when it's active. It also has a buzzer to notify you in case it takes a hit and it needs to be replaced. Wires right into the transfer switch. It's got these nifty little connectors that come with it. PSP products, check them out. You'll be glad you did. Hey, bud. Looking good. How you doing?
Good, good. Where's my hat?
You want another one? Okay. Okay, I got you. I got you. Oh no, you never got one. We never gave Jorge one, did we?